Students, this is Hofmann-Bromide reaction. It is a very important reaction for the examination point of view in the board examination as well as the competition examination. Hofmann-Bromide reaction is a very important reaction. In this reaction, amides are converted into amines. You can say by this reaction, amides are converted into amines. Amides are converted into amines. Amides are converted into amines by this Hofmann-Bromide reaction. But important point is that number of carbon atom in amines are less than the amide. If the amide has 4 carbon atom, then amine will have 3 carbon atom. If amide has 3 carbon atom, then amines will have 2 carbon atom. If amide has 2 carbon atom, then amines will have 1 carbon atom. I want to explain you that amines have less carbon atom than the amide when Hofmann-Bromide reaction is carried out. In this reaction, amides are treated with a bromine and caustic potash solution. Amides are treated with a bromine and caustic potash solution to get the amine. I want to say that amides are treated with the bromine and potassium hydroxide to get the amine. And reaction is as follows. You can see that reaction is according to the, when any amide is treated with the bromine and caustic potash, we get amine, and potassium carbonate and KBr and 2 water molecules. This is a general equation. This is a general equation of a Hofmann-Bromide reaction. Amides converted to amines. And you will see that this RCONS2, that is amide, this is to be deleted. CO delete कर दिए, RNS2, that is the amine. And this is a side product. This carbon is deleted. That is why amines have 1 carbon less than the amide. R may be CH3, may be C2H5, may be benzene ring, like this one, CH3CONH2, that is ethanamide, plus bromine plus 4 KOH. You will get, you have to do this one, CH3NH2, CH3NH2, that is methylamine, plus K2CO3 plus 2 KBr plus 2H2O. This is ethanamide. And you will get methanamine, or you can say methylamine. It has 2 carbon atom, it has 1 carbon atom. CH3, CH2, CONH2. 1, 2, 3. This is a propanamide. Reacts with bromine plus potassium hydroxide to get CH3, CH2 and NH2. This will be deleted. CH3, CH2, NH2. Remaining part of the reaction common, K2CO3 plus 2 KBr plus 2H2O. Ethylamine is obtained. if we take benzamides, this is benzamide, CONS2. KOH. This will be deleted. You get this one only. This is aniline. Remaining part will be same. You get aromatic aniline, aromatic amine, that is aniline.